The trusty screen is a campervan and motorhome essential in the Australian outback. The great news is TRAKKA has your sliding screen doors covered. Those of you partial to our van-based Torino, Acuna and Jabiru models, you'll find concertina-style sliding screens in both side and rear doors. Easy to use, these allow you to enjoy more airflow throughout the vehicle and to keep the doors wide open so you can sleep soundly knowing you're protected from bugs and other nasties. When they're not in use, we've made sure that these are all concealed on the inside for a streamlined transition to the outside view. Our Trackadoo pop-top campers and our coach-built Trackaway motorhomes enjoy sliding screens in the side doors to increase ventilation. Easy to use and compact, these screens operate on a track-mounted door which simply and silently slide to open and shut. Forget magnets, zips, press studs and trying to find somewhere to store your screen when it's not in use. TRAKKA's retractable sliding screen system is innovative, streamlined and concealed for ultimate touring. It's the little things that make a big difference.